So I'm glad to have everybody here listening, watching this video. If you hold XRP, obviously you found us that way. If you're brand new, my name's Zach. We've been in crypto for the last 5 years. We were talking about XRP when it was 40 cents, 50 cents. And there was a lot of doom and gloom back then. I don't know if we're at that level of doom and gloom when it comes to XRP, when it comes to altcoins, etc. But what I've found out being in crypto is when people are zagging, usually it's best to zig, or when they zig, you zag. When people are fearful, be greedy. And it feels like altcoin season's never coming. It feels like the top assets are just all bleeding to Bitcoin. And while that is happening right now, there is eventually going to be a shift. And maybe, just maybe, that shift is around the corner. We still have 2 full months left in 2026. A lot can change. I mean, think about left in 2025, that is, before 2026. Think about this. Bitcoin set an all-time high at the beginning of October, and we ended the month red where, people were running for the hills. All of that happened in a month's time frame. Now, something that could take place in the next couple of weeks, maybe even the next 10 days, is something I think could bring in a lot of demand for XRP. Now, it will be a lot of OTC, over the counter buying, but it still could create some FOMO. And I want to get into that. I want to get into some other top stories as well. Ripple had some big news come out. And we'll take a look at the overall market as well later on in the video. And I want to highlight just a number of things that I think are super relevant if you're a retail investor, you're trying to position yourself and win big in this market. This video is for you. And as you guys know, nothing is, perfect in this space. You're never going to win every trade, but one of the things we're doing over at our private community is just setting people up to withstand these downturns in the market, take advantage of momentum trades. So if you guys want to come over and check out the Inner Circle, it's a phenomenal community. We got Discord access, exclusive video content. You'll see all of my portfolios, crypto, stocks, my buy and sell alerts, etc. Check it out. We've also got a VIP tier. This includes free live calls. When you're a VIP tier member, you get access to these live calls we do every Friday morning. So check all of this out. Link down below in the description, guys. Do not want you to miss this. And go check it out. Top link in the description. But I want to get into this top story first and foremost. Nate Garachi, who's really big with all of these ETFs, he said sometime in the next 2 weeks, I expect launch of first spot XRP ETFs. The SEC had open litigation against Ripple for the past 5 years up until 3 months ago. In my opinion, launch of spot XRP ETFs represents final nail in the coffin of previous anti-crypto regulators. We have come a long way. And you see what he did with long, like take a long on XRP right now. He thinks we've been close to bottoming out. Now, we also have Ripple's Swell 2025 kicking off in New York tomorrow. The 2-day event is invite only. It's where big ideas drive real business outcomes, bringing together influential leaders from Kraken, Chain Analysis, Citibank. You can see how all the institutions are adopting digital assets. Again, it starts November 4th tomorrow and goes November 5th as well. A lot of times we get some big news events coming out of this, so could be a good opportunity to take advantage of the market tomorrow. XRP down today, 5+% right now. It's the lowest we've been here in the last week, down 12%. We're down about 20% in the last month. We have been a little bit lower than these levels. If you see back here on October 17th, we dipped down to 221. But when you zoom out to the last year, we've got some support down, at these price levels right in here at like 220, 225. As long as we hold the line there, our psychological support and even our technical support under that level is $2 flat. But I do think XRP could rotate here, could be one of the fast movers when the market overall, the overall market bounces back up for us. But we got the Ripple Swell starting tomorrow, ETFs potentially going live. Then we've got Ripple Prime breaking ground in the United States today with the launch of digital asset spot prime brokerage capabilities, now allowing clients to execute OTC spot transactions across the most prominent digital assets and stablecoins, including XRP and RLUSD. And so this has a lot of people excited about this finally, getting basically coming to fruition. This is all hinging on the closure of the Hidden Road acquisition. And so it says here, following the acquisition, Ripple has combined its licenses with Hidden Road Solutions under Ripple Prime. We've covered this a little bit as well, providing new capabilities now where institutions can access foreign exchange, digital assets, derivatives, swaps, and fixed income. So a big deal there with Ripple launching their digital assets spot prime brokerage. That was the big reason why they went after Hidden Road. Now, overall, the market, again, pretty red right now. Bitcoin did get down underneath 106,000. We got it down there to 105.3. We're back up to 107.3 right now. So, things are kind of still within range. I mean, we're on the lower end of that range on Bitcoin, but we've been here how many times, guys? In the last month. You could see came down to 104.7, came down again to 105, 106 at the end of the month. We're back down there again. We're continuing to try to hold the line here. Can we get a pullback all the way to 100K, maybe 98K, somewhere in that range, and still be okay in the bull cycle? Yes. If we go past that, though, that is where kind of sentiment and our technical analysis does not look great. But right now, we're okay. And I think it's all about positioning yourself for a couple different situations. You guys know how I feel about Bitcoin. I'm long Bitcoin. I'm long XRP right now. I'm long Ethereum. I'm still longing this market, especially at the top. I'm not going dumpster diving and trying to find diamonds in the rough right now. That is a rough go, right? But if you're just looking at the top assets, I do think it continues to be a market where, take advantage of some of these big price drops that we've seen over the past several weeks. And I do think we could still have a really good close to the year. I mean, things can change very quickly. Very quickly. And I think that's kind of what you need to understand. Now, if you want to see all the moves I made, I did go ahead and buy 4 different cryptos today. Come on over and join us at the Patreon. Link down below. And $17 a month. I mean, think about that. It's like 50 cents a day. And you become an Inner Circle member. If you've been looking for a private community to join, this is the one for you. I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. Tons of exclusive content, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I share all the moves I'm making over here at the Inner Circle. That is our Patreon membership. So links down below to that. Appreciate you all for watching. Those were the big updates on XRP, updates on the overall market. We do have some altcoins still making a nice push here. The privacy narrative's not going away. Dash and Zcash leading the way here, both green today. Zcash has been the one we've been trailing for a while. It's been a really nice performer in our portfolio. Always on the hunt. Always on the hunt for moves that we can make and take in this market. I'm never a one-trick pony. I'm never into one thing and one thing only. XRP is a big piece of the puzzle to me. It's one of my big bets. But while that's kind of stalled, there are other places to go. And that is one thing you're going to get from my content. I'm not going to say just go all in on XRP and that's it. So if you're looking for that, there's other people that are going to tell you it's going to go to $10,000 tomorrow. Great, dandy, whatever. If you want to go listen to those people, you can. But we're going to give you guys real information in real time, the good, the bad, the ugly, all of it here on the channel. So make sure you guys are locked in if that sounds good to you and you want it every single day we're here. Appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.